So join me today for a little walking tour at Khaolak Forest Resort. Now, I've been asked to do this video because someone has viewed my channel, watched a few of my clips and films, and he's just requesting a little walk around tour. So come and join me. So one of my viewers has asked, would I do a little review of this place? And I said, if I get a chance, I'll have a walk round. And here I am. I got a chance, so I'm going to do a little walking tour. I've got to say, this looks very, very nice. I'm diving next week, and I'm thinking of actually staying here for a couple of nights myself. I had a look at the reviews. It's a perfect location for the night market, so it's only a short stroll away. Go and have a look at the swim up rooms. So we've got 2 stories here. Lots of greenery, lots of shade going on. And the balconies do look quite set back, so you're not really being overlooked by anybody. So pretty good privacy, I think. Gardens look lovely, well maintained. And just between here, so these bungalows have like this shallow pool going on. And then you've got the 2 stories on this side. There you go. That looks absolutely idyllic. Very quiet. All I can hear is the birds. Very nice. Obviously, this is the back of the 2-story section. And let's go and have a look at the swim up rooms. And that's just the back of where we were from this 2-story section here. And back perspective, that's the swim up area over there, the shallow area. So just on this side, these are all your swim up rooms. Seating over there. Very nice.
Good idea, right?
So this is inside the villa we just had a quick look at a moment ago. Flat screen TV. Nice balcony. Soft padded chairs and a recliner. Aircon, big fan. I like the fan. Big soft bed. Fridge. Kettle. Oh, okay. Oh, thank you. Oh, I like the bath. Look at that. Nice big bath. Shower. So forest shower and a handheld shower. Got your immediate, bath soaps, etc. And closet. And closet with robes and shoes and a safe down here. Very nice.
include breakfast and the fresh coffee.
So here we've got the deluxe room with the swim up pool. Big, huge soft bed again. Got PowerPoints on this side. No PowerPoints on that side though. Flat screen TV, kettle, aircon,
Safety
fridge.
box in the room.
Safety box in here.
Yeah, every room.
Every room's got a safety box. No bath in this one. We've got a shower and sink and storage in here. Plenty of storage going on with a safe down below, just like the lady said. So there we go. So this is the deluxe for ground floor with a swim up pool. There we go. And we also have a library going on with some nice soft seating area. Which is opposite the swim pool area. Hello! And then back to reception. Yes, so outside breakfast in the morning. Thank you. Buffet style. Is it breakfast and dinner or just breakfast?
Breakfast, just breakfast.
Just breakfast. Just breakfast.
And the fresh
The lady inside was so nice to show me around. They showed me down the downstairs room with a swim-up pool, which you can see, and the villa room, which has a very shallow pool outside. So there's two rooms there. The villa's more expensive than the swim-up room, which is priced around about £70 a night English. And then the upstairs is slightly cheaper, but then obviously you've got to come downstairs to jump in the pool. So I'm actually thinking of staying here myself for 2 nights. It looks very, very nice. So don't forget, if you do like this kind of content, why don't you give me a thumbs up and a like. You can also subscribe. It's completely free for the channel. You'll see more stuff like this, and tap that notification bell. Do appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next one.